In front of me is Motorola Moto G05, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by launching Recorder app and tapping on while using the app and allow. Then use this gear icon on the left to tap on voice quality and adjust it. Now to start recording, use this green button. To pause it or unpause it, click on the same one. To discard it, click on this X on the left and hit delete. To end it and save it though, click on the check mark on the right. Then name your recording and hit save. To access your recordings, use those three lines at the bottom right corner when recorder is off, and to play any of them, click on the chosen one. To get rid of it, hold it, click delete, so this bin icon at the top right corner, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Then hit allow. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!